So I'm just giving you like a little bit of a status update for the brand new Tesla Model Y body kit from Yofer. So the first thing I notice is when you step out, you gotta watch your leg on the side skirt right there. So otherwise you can easily hit your foot on it and leave a big old mark on there every single time you step out. So just like be conscious of that. I mean, at least if you want it to last a little longer. This is just me giving a little bit of an update to what I've experienced having the body kit on my Tesla. This front splitter, because the original bumper line is up here, now it's down here. You gotta watch out for these curbs. Some of the curbs are lower, so you don't gotta watch out for them, but some of the curbs are like really high, so it's best to just stop just in front of it. Thank goodness for that camera. You see how close I'm able to get to the curb? Like, look at this. How precise that is. Like the measurements for, like, I guess this is like a standard curb right here. It's like just barely able to clear it. Unless you're at one of those ones where you're sure that you're able to clear it, you're gonna end up like me with this little scrape right here on the front splitter. This happened the first time pulling up into a parking spot with the curb after I first got this thing installed, because I wasn't used to it. The very front part is a little bit higher, but these two side, the very outer part right here, tiny bit lower. So that's the part that got scraped. And when you're driving, you can see one edge of the front splitter on one side and one edge on the other side. All right, so let's go check to see how accurate the parking job was. As you see, utilizing the camera system, I still got some space left over for pulling up to the curb. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing, but this time I'm gonna do it in reverse. Now, since the back's a little bit higher, you don't gotta worry about it as much. So as you can see, you just park as you normally would, and you don't gotta worry about it scraping or anything, because this one's a lot closer to the body line. It doesn't really bring the body line lower, it just makes the body line a little bit more masculine. Especially with these fins back here, it all just makes it look so sick. Last video, the whole body kit, you seen that I had the spoiler on there, but I took the spoiler off for now because I'm not sure exactly how I want to have it mounted on there properly, because I don't want that double-sided sticky tape to be a super B1/2 just trying to remove it. When I do want to remove it, I want it to be a more secure installation than just double-sided sticky tape. So you just got some thoughts or anything, leave them in the comment section. So everything secures great on the vehicle, the body kit. There's nothing flapping around, banging, nothing, anything like that. I've already reinforced the back, but I didn't reinforce the front. But I found what needed to be reinforced. Right here in the front of the vehicle, this little part where the air goes in here, this piece right here doesn't sit all the way back there, all the way 100%. Everything else on here is great, but this right here has a little bit of play. So everything is all secured underneath it on the sides, but unless you want to put like a screw on the top here or something, or directly in there, which I'm not gonna do, I decided I'm gonna fabricate some sort of bracketry to connect the front portion to the back existing portion to kind of snug them together, because that's all it needs. It just needs to be snug together. But even after driving around with it for a couple weeks, how it is right now, not snugged right here, it's still perfectly. You can't even tell unless you're like all up on it, like how I am, getting all up in there looking at it, then you won't even notice it. Other than that, it's good to go. So I'm just giving you like a little bit of a status update for the brand new Tesla Model Y body kit from Yofer. If you have a Toyota, a Honda, Tesla, or BYD, they have plenty of body kits for all kinds of variations of vehicles. Body kits that make your vehicle go from okay to damn, Jay. Body kit that give that first impression of going from okay to like damn. All the links are down below in the description box. If you like content like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'll check you guys in the next time.